For over 5,000 years, humanity had the wheel. But it wasn't until 1970 that we thought to put wheels on a suitcase and the upright, rolling luggage we know today. That didn't appear until 1987. That long gap in time perfectly illustrates a powerful force: conventional thinking. We often get so used to the way things are that we don't see a simpler, more efficient path until a game changer comes along and makes it obvious. In the world of packaging, we've just had our wheeled suitcase moment. Classic, rigid gift boxes have been the standard for quality. They are sturdy, elegant, and make a great first impression. But behind this classic appeal lies a massive and often ignored hidden cost. Their biggest drawback: they are fixed. They cannot be collapsed. This means that in warehouses and on cargo ships, you are not just paying to move your product, you are paying to ship air. Think about it: sky-high storage fees, soaring logistics costs, and the constant risk of damage from crushing and impact during transit. We simply accepted this tax on empty space as the cost of doing business, much like our ancestors accepted carrying heavy suitcases by hand. But now the game changer has arrived: the foldable rigid box. It's a beautiful, simple innovation that tackles the core problem head-on. When shipped from our factory, it travels completely flat, like a stack of premium cardboard. What does this mean for you? First, an exponential leap in space efficiency. The space needed for one shipping container of traditional boxes might now only require as mile corner. Your storage and shipping costs just decrease. They plummet. Second, enhanced safety. Lying flat, the boxes are protected from corner collisions and pressure damage, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. And third, a premium user experience. With a few simple folds, your team or your customer can assemble it into a strong, beautiful, high-end gift box. It's quality without compromise. You might be wondering, if this is so great, why is the revolution happening now? The answer is technology. Recent breakthroughs in automated manufacturing have made the production of high-precision foldable boxes incredibly efficient. And most importantly, this has driven the cost down dramatically. Today, the price of this revolutionary solution is nearly the same as a traditional box. When a smarter product costs the same as the old one, the market's choice becomes clear. We saw this firsthand at the recent Canton Fair. For 5 straight days, our booth was flooded with clients, and their focus was incredibly consistent. They all came for the foldable, rigid box. The market is not just whispering, it's shouting. The shift from fixed boxes to foldable ones is not just a change in shape, it's a change in thinking. It's about using intelligence to solve the complex challenges of cost efficiency and customer experience. Just as we never go back to a world without wheeled luggage, the packaging industry is saying goodbye to paying for empty space. The future of packaging is here. We invite you to embrace it and give your brand the smarter, more efficient edge it deserves.